HyperMenu is an improved version of Unity's main menu with a lot of useful features. For example, you can execute non-static functions on target GameObjects or ScriptableObjects. The tool remembers targets for future use. You can create your own workflow by opening multiple menus and collapsing them into a single window. This can significantly speed up your workflow, whether you design, code, balance, or test your game. HyperMenu also supports search with abbreviations, history, favorites, efficient one-hand shortcuts, and more. All features will be covered in detail in the next section.
Let's start by creating some files. Press F1 to open menu, then C, then F to create a folder. F1, C, then C to create a C# script. To repeat the last action, F1, then 1. To repeat the second to last action, F1, then 2.
Shortcuts designed to be used for one-hand control, no mouse required. You can also navigate with arrow keys or Alt-WASD. All available hotkeys can be found in the hints area by hovering over it. If you hold Shift while executing or click the pin icon, the menu will stay open. This will allow you to execute several functions at once without reopening it. Also, you can open multiple hypermenus at once in different categories. Too many open menus can reduce your workspace. Press Shift plus space or click the diamond icon in the corner to switch to single window mode. In this mode, only the last menu window is displayed. It automatically pins the menu. Drag unfocused menu from anywhere, not only the header. This allows you to easily position your menus. Resize it by holding Control and scrolling the mouse wheel. Or press right-click on the header and choose Size. Those simple yet powerful features lets you create a personalized and efficient workspace. Creating your own menus is very simple. Let me show you how. I'll navigate to the definition of this command by pressing Alt plus Enter or Alt plus Click and selecting Go to Definition. As you can see, with just a single line of code, you can define the menu path, a one-letter shortcut in square brackets, icon, description, and other parameters. All of these parameters are optional, except for the path. You can simply add path to make it work. Don't worry, hotkeys will be generated automatically. It's worth noting that the attribute supports non-static functions, which allows you to directly execute functions on selected Unity objects, such as GameObjects, ScriptableObjects, etc. HyperMenu will remember your choice for future use. Next time you call this function, if no target is currently selected, the previously chosen one will be used automatically. If you want to reselect the previously executed target, press Alt plus Enter or Alt plus right-click on a non-static function and choose Select Targets. The attribute keeps Unity's main menu clean. You could mark any item or group as a favorite. Simply press Control Enter or right-click and choose an available slot. Favorites can be either individual items or whole menus. For example, you can add the menu item Windows, Settings, Preferences, or the entire Windows Settings menu, which contains several items inside. Assigned items will then appear in the Favorites tab. HyperMenu records recently used items. It's available both in the main menu, up to 3 recent functions by default, and in the History tab, which stores the last 10 executed functions. The number of recent functions shown in the main menu can be increased up to 10 in HyperMenu settings. To find an item, simply press Tab. Put PM for Package Manager abbreviation. It supports all standard features such as shortcut navigation, marking favorites, pinning, go-to definition, etc. With Alt plus WASD, navigate through search results. Hit space to execute. Type in RI for recent items. Here you can choose desired count of recent items on the initial screen. You can also use edge letters for single-word items, FR for folder, SS for settings or shortcuts. Press Escape twice or Alt plus A to exit search mode. That's it. These are the core features of HyperMenu. Keep an eye out for new updates and don't forget to check the docs for more tips and tricks.